Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Apple Watch, and to connect your AirPods to your Apple Watch, it's very easy. You just have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen. And when you swipe up, you just have to scroll down a little bit until you find this little icon with the triangle and the circles on the top. You tap on it, and as you can see, for me it's already paired with the AirPods. But if you did not pair your AirPods yet, you just have to scroll down and go to connect a device. And when you tap on it, it is going to look for any Bluetooth devices or health devices that are compatible with your Apple Watch. And when you find them, you just have to tap on them and you can connect them to your Apple Watch, and you can listen to anything with your AirPods on your Apple Watch, or you can use any other health devices as mentioned here that are compatible with your Apple Watch. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.